Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a teacher and the founder of the Online Rock Lessons Piano Academy. In today's lesson, I want to teach you how to play two blues groove on the Hammond organ. Alright, let's start by taking a look at the settings I'm going to use for the sound. So, the plugin I'm using today is the IK Multimedia B3X. And what is cool about that plugin is that you actually have presets that already sounds amazing. And the one I'm going to use is just this one, just like that. I'm going to have the 4-1st drawbar. And the setting is named Hammond B3X. It's the default one. And you're going to have a nice sound just like this. With Leslie, obviously. Alright, so the blues we're going to do is going to be in the key of F major. It's a classic blues in F. We're going to have 3 chords because the blues is a 1-4-5 chord progression. The first chord we're going to have is the F7 chord. F, A, C, and E flat. Just like that. The second chord we have is the 4th degree. It's B flat 7, B flat, D, F, and A flat. And the third one is going to be C7, is the 5th degree. So C, E, G, and B flat, just like that. We're going to be using some voicing over there. I'll talk about that later. All right, let's start with the first groove. Alright, so for the first groove, let's take a look at the voicing for the right hand. So, the F7 is going to be right here. We're going to have flat 7, 3, and 5. Just like that. So, E flat, A, and C. Right here. So, for the rhythm, we're going to have a quarter note, an 8th rest, and an 8th note. So, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. Don't forget about the swing feel that we have in the blues. So, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 That's it. Now for the B flat 7, we're gonna go right here. So D, F, A flat, and B flat. It's gonna be a whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we're gonna change the rhythm a little bit. So it's gonna be 1 and 2, 3, 4. And back to F7. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. C7. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. F7. 1, 2, and 3, 4. C7. And we go back from the top twice, and then you end on the F7. All right, that's pretty much it for the right hand. So have fun practicing that. Let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand in this version is going to be playing the bass line. So we're going to be having 1, 6, 5, 3, 1. So that's going to be the formula for the bass line for today. So 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, 6. All quarter note. Very nice walking bass. B flat, same idea. 1, 6, 5, 3. Yeah. Back to F7. C7. And we go from the C7 to B flat and back to F. Then we end on C7. You do that twice and we end right here. Alright, that's a cool little bass line. Let's put that together now. So we have the right hand on the top over here and the left hand on the bottom right here. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now we go to B flat 7. Up, down, back. C7, B flat 7. And we end on C7. You do that twice and right here. All right, so you have a very cool first group to practice. And if you like what you're hearing, please subscribe to this channel just below this video. All right, let's go for the second groove we're gonna talk about. Alright, the second groove is what I would be playing in a band context. So, you're not going to be playing the bass line. We're going to be adding some percussion, some slides, and effects over there. The voicing on the right hand are going to stay the same, but we're going to be adding a few things. So, we're going to go all the way here. We have our first chord. Now, as you can see, we have a slide to start with. So basically, we're playing a slide to get into the chord over here. The slide is going to be played with the left hand, and it's only just sliding on the notes with the palm of your hand right here, just like that. And you play the rhythm. The X on the left hand here is for percussion. So basically, you want to be playing any notes, just a group of notes, very fast, and it creates just a noise actually. And this is what we do on the Hammond when we have like this kind of percussion effect here. So just like that. So it's very cool because it adds a lot. So with the slide we have just like that. So one more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Exactly like that. All right, now for the B flat 7, we're going on a whole note. And this one we're going to slide in. We're going to add the Leslie, hold it, slow down the Leslie, slide down, slide up, and back to F7. So there's a lot of things going on over there. Let's do that again. So B flat 7 going in, Leslie, hold it, Leslie down, slide up, and back to the percussion. Now we're sliding down, sliding up, and we're going in C7. Leslie right here, slide into B flat 7, Leslie down, and slide in the F7 again. Just like that, slide in, Leslie, slide down, slide in, and we're at F7. So there's a lot of slides, but this is what we love to do at the Hammond organ, a few slides. You don't have to do all of that. These are just ideas that you can use, all the percussions and the slides. You can just use it and be creative with that. But this is the first idea to start with. So let's do that from the top one more time. So it starts with a slide. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Slide, Leslie. 1, 2, Leslie down. Up, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the slide. And you can go either back from the top or for the ending right here. Alright, so there you go. You have awesome grooves to practice. I'm gonna put the link below in the description so you can get the backing tracks and the sheet music to practice. So make sure that you check it out. Alright, so have fun with this and have a good practice.